Weekend hours are the most overlooked doorway into remote work. While most people think you need years of experience to get hired online, the truth is simpler. Employers need coverage when everyone else is off. If you can show clear communication, basic tool fluency, and reliability, you can turn Saturdays and Sundays into your most profitable 2 days of the week. So what actually counts as no experience in 2025? It doesn't mean you have no skills. It means you don't need a degree, a stacked resume, or prior titles. The bar is proof, not pedigree. That proof can be tiny: a one-page portfolio, 2 sample email replies, a short screen recording of your workflow, and scores from free skills tests. These are fast to build and they beat a blank CV every time. The roles themselves are practical and low lift: customer or chat support, content moderation, data entry and web research, transcription and captioning, user testing, light social scheduling, appointment setting, and sometimes AI data labeling. They all share one thing: weekend demand. E-commerce stores get refund questions. SaaS tools see login issues. Communities need moderators when people have time to post. You won't compete with veterans if you present yourself as the person who keeps the lights on every Saturday and Sunday. Let's talk ranges so you can map expectations. Entry-level customer support and chat roles commonly fall around the mid-teens to low 20s per hour in U.S. listings, with global variation. Data entry and web research often sit in similar bands. Transcription and captioning are typically paid per audio minute, so speed matters. Practice gets you paid. User testing usually pays per test. Short, focused tasks you can stack across a weekend. AI data labeling varies widely by project. None of these are promises. Your country, client type, and pace all matter, but these benchmarks help you prioritize where to apply. Now, how do you win a weekend role without experience? You build tiny assets that speak louder than claims. First, your micro portfolio. Create 2 sample customer support emails and 1 short chat transcript. Show how you calm a frustrated user, outline steps, and close with a clear next action. Then record a 60-90 second loom, no fancy edits, walking through how you triage an inbox or label tickets. If you type quickly, include your WPM and accuracy. If English isn't your first language, include a free skills test score to prove clarity. This bundle takes less than 2 hours to assemble and instantly separates you from applicants who only attach a resume. Second, your search strategy. Use a remote job board with fresh postings and filter aggressively for part-time, weekend, and contract. Combine that with Boolean search strings like weekend and remote and chat support, Saturday or Sunday and part-time and customer support, or remote and content moderation and weekend. Always sort by most recent. Your goal is speed. Be among the first 7 quality applicants with useful samples attached. Third, your message. Keep it short, specific, and pilot-oriented. I cover weekend inboxes. First response within 15-30 minutes, same-day resolutions, simple escalation rules. 2 samples attached. Available Saturday, Sunday in your time zone. Want to try a 1-weekend pilot? Most small teams want to reduce risk. Offer that for them. To get momentum fast, use a 2-day launch plan. On Saturday morning, set up your profile on a curated remote board, take 2 free skills tests, and organize your portfolio into a shareable folder. Saturday afternoon, apply to 7 fresh roles using your search strings. Don't stop at job boards. Pitch 2 to 3 small e-commerce brands you actually buy from. I noticed weekend replies take longer. Would you like Saturday coverage with refund checks and order lookups? Sunday, line up on-demand work. User tests, transcription tasks, or short research projects you can complete while you wait for replies. On Monday, send quick follow-ups with a small improvement you made, a better macro, a cleaner rubric, or a faster keyboard shortcut. A few operational notes matter more than people think. Know your time zone overlaps and propose precise weekend windows. Keep a 1-page scope of work that lists tools, hours, response times, and escalation. Save invoices and payouts for tax season. And stay scam aware. You should never pay to get paid, never move conversations to random messaging apps, and never share banking details outside normal payout methods. If you do only one thing after this video, do this. Assemble your micro portfolio today. 2 sample replies, 1 chat transcript, a 1-minute loom. Then apply to 7 weekend roles with a pilot offer. That simple bundle, proof plus reliability, turns no experience into weekend ready. And if you want a place built for this strategy, browse fresh listings, take free English and logic tests, and make yourself discoverable to employers who need weekend coverage. Weekend shifts are where coverage gaps meet your flexibility. Start now, earn sooner, and let your Mondays feel different because your weekends finally pay.